Hello everyone, welcome to the second tutorial of Python programming. In this video, we will discuss a lot of things like numbers and the basic mathematical operations. In the last video, we discussed how to access the IDLE and how to install Python. Even the IDLE, we have pinned it on the taskbar, so we can just access it from here. Just click on it. So, what we are going to discuss is numbers and so if you remember in the C or C++, what we used to do is we used to declare a variable. First we used to declare its data type, then variable and equal to some value. That means the x variable of data type integer holds the value 3 and we used to enter. So what happens is that you cannot use it into the Python. In the Python, you don't need to declare the data type. What you can do instead is that you can just declare it like this, x equal to 3, and then you can print x. When you do the assignment like x equal to 3, the Python already comes to know that x is having a value of integer and we don't have to specify it otherwise. So imagine that I am putting it like this, x equal to y equal to 5.4. Now this is a float and I can just do it like this, print y, and now I want to find what's the type of y, type y, and it is showing that type of y is float. Now just check it for even the x, type of x, type of x is integer. Now remember, you can find the data type of any integer on any string or anything by using this operator, type, and then you can, in the parenthesis or in the opening and closing bracket, you have to specify the type or the variable whose data type you need to find. So let's move on towards the basic mathematical operations. So imagine it is like first addition, 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Then subtraction, 9 minus 3, 6. Multiplication, 6 into 3, 18. Division, 23 divided by 3, 7.66666, and then at the end 7. Many times what we need is, we don't want the decimal part, what we need is the whole number. So what we can do in this case is, you can just use the division symbol 2 times and it will give you the whole number. And many times what happens is, we don't even want the division, what we need is the remainder or the leftover. So in that case you can use this modulus operator. This operator will give you the remainder, like 3 7s are 21, 23 minus 21 equal to 2. Now imagine that I want to do it like this, 3 plus 5 into 4. So what the answer should be, maybe 3 plus 5 equal to 8 and 8 into 4 equal to 32. Let's just check. The answer is 23. Why is it like this? First, in any C, C++, Java or Python, in all these programming languages, there are preferences given. So the first preference is always given to the brackets, then multiplication and division, then to the plus or minus. So in this case, what happens is, the first multiplication is done, 5 into 4 equal to 20, plus 3, 23. So imagine that I don't want the multiplication to be taken plus first. What I want is, first I want 3 plus 5 to be done and then to be multiplied by 4. So for that what we can do is 3 plus 5 into 4. So now first the bracket will be solved and then the whole calculation, the answer will be multiplied by 4. Let's just check. The answer is 32. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. 8 into 4 equal to 32. Now there is also one thing that we often need is to find cube or the fourth power of something or fifth power of something. Let's imagine I have 4 and I want to find the fourth power of it or fifth power of it. What would you do? You would multiply the 4 5 times, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 5 times, and you will get the answer. But imagine that you have like 4 to the power 20 or 30. It would be time consuming, and also this it will need a lot of space, a lot of time. So what we can do instead is 4 into and 5. So here this symbol, this multiplication symbol 2 times, is the raised 2 symbol, and this will give us the answer same as the above. Now imagine that I did here the assignment operator. I assigned the value 3 to the x. Let's just try something new. Imagine that there is a variable vada pav which holds the value 10 rupees. Then there is pohe which hold the value again 10 rupees, and there is misal which holds the value 40 rupees. Now imagine, for those who don't know, vada pav, pohe and misal, these are the Maharashtrian foods. So imagine you are a few friends and you have went into the restaurant and you need to calculate the bill. So let's just imagine that 3 of your friends preferred vada pav, then 4 of your friends took pohe, and 3 of your friends took misal. And now you want to calculate the bill. So what would the bill be? So the calculation is done, the value of this equation or the calculation done, the answer is stored into the variable bill, and now we want to access it, we want to print it. So just print and then bill. So 190. So 190 is your total bill and you have to pay it. This is all for today's video. I hope that you liked it, and hope you liked this video. And if you liked it, please click on the like button and please click on the subscribe button if you want to watch the new videos that are going to come soon. And thank you for watching. Till the next video, adios.